Okay, the hull pass, you had rectangular gradient in pink, and you can kind of use that selection there. And let's see if this is going to work here. So it's kind of putting a little bit of gradient. The lettering is in there. I'm just clicking this. So you used a circle for the punch hole, and that brought this piece. So just kind of getting a little bit, make the rectangle larger with a gradient of gray. Again, there's the circle. Select the both of them, use the pathfinder to punch a hole, and then send it to the back. And just turn it a little bit just to get a little more interest to it. On the left over here is just kind of blowing up and showing this selection of the clip. So making two circles and then randomly trying to find a rectangular shape that'll fit that. And then using the direct selection tool in order to curve some of it, make it a little thicker, make it black, change it to gray, outline the stroke so we can make this a 3D element. There's 3D right there. And rotating it there, so that gives you a little bit more options. And just place it where it belongs. Do the circle. Again, it's just a stroke with a ring around it. 3D. And then the ball, instead of making it 3D, I just went ahead with the gradient. Made it blue and black. And then for the lanyard, this is actually just a stroke that has the fill and stroke flipped. There it is, now just a stroke. Take the white out, give it a little thickness to it, turned it blue, and then extruded it, and did the type on a map art as a symbol, and then just placed it right on the lanyard itself. And then you can place it in place, and then maybe turn it or so. But there you have that piece all connected. So I'm just trying to see if we can lower this a little bit and make it look like it's connected to it. Now here's the part where you're doing the clipping path. So you're selecting the part that you want to protect and then popping that out of there. So it's kind of creating a shape, and you can get as accurate as you'd like into there and adjusting it. So this is just taking it, adjusting it using the path tool and the pen tool to create that shape. And there you go, you have it all placed in there. So it's just kind of showing how it's clipped through there. The red highlight showing you the clipping mask. The path, this can also be curved or bent, but again, just a simple Illustrator file. The type was placed in, the selection typed in, and then gone ahead and made into a map art to build that piece together. And that gives you the hull pass.